Perched on the rugged coastline between São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, Paraty House by Studio MK27 emerges from the dense rainforest like a modern fortress. This secluded retreat, located on one of the legendary 365 islands of the region, stands as an extraordinary example of architectural harmony with nature. The house, consisting of two massive concrete prisms, is set dramatically into the mountainside, overlooking the vast Atlantic Ocean. The sleek, reinforced concrete structures extend outward from the mountain in an impressive 8-meter cantilever, creating a gravity-defying presence above the beach below. It's a striking juxtaposition, the modern geometric lines of the house against the organic, untouched landscape of the Brazilian coast. The house's design is as much about blending into the environment as it is about standing out. The volumes are nestled among colossal coastal boulders, integrating seamlessly into the rocky terrain. These boulders, along with the lush rainforest that surrounds the house, create a natural fortress that shelters the home from the elements while also providing a serene, private retreat for its inhabitants. The cantilevered design allows the house to hover above the beach, providing an uninterrupted view of the sea, while also maintaining the integrity of the land beneath, preserving the pristine nature of the island. Inside, the house is a showcase of mid-20th century furniture design, featuring pieces by iconic designers like George Nakashima, Luis Barragan, Lina Bo Bardi, Sérgio Rodrigues, Joaquim Tenreiro, and José Zanin Caldas. These timeless works of art are thoughtfully placed throughout the house, adding warmth and character to the minimalist concrete interiors. Yet, in a curious twist of fate, even the spiders seem drawn to this collection, getting lost in the upholstered chairs, as if reclaiming the space as their own. The journey to Paraty House begins by boat, as the house is only accessible by water, adding to the sense of seclusion and exclusivity. Upon arrival, a metallic bridge, elegantly suspended over a crystal-clear reflecting pool, serves as the entrance to the lower volume of the house. The bridge leads to a grand staircase, connecting the various levels of the home. The lower volume houses the main living areas, a spacious living room, a modern kitchen, and service areas, all designed to embrace the breathtaking views of the ocean. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows stretch across the 27-meter span of the interior, dissolving the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. As one ascends the staircase, the upper volume reveals itself as a private sanctuary, housing the bedrooms. This area is shielded from the harsh sun by retractable panels made of eucalyptus sticks, which not only provide shade but also add a natural, textural element to the sleek concrete facade. The bedrooms, with their intimate patios and zenithal lighting, offer a tranquil retreat, their views oriented towards the dense rainforest. The rough texture of the exposed concrete walls contrasts beautifully with the soft, natural light filtering through, creating a peaceful ambience within the private quarters. One of the most intriguing aspects of Paraty House is its relationship with the natural world. The entire roof of the house is transformed into a terrace, a living observatory where nature reigns supreme. Here, sculptures coexist with medicinal plants and edible herbs, creating a rooftop garden that not only serves as a serene retreat, but also as a functional space. The terrace offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, from the jagged coastline to the deep blue sea. Yet, it's not just the inhabitants who claim this space. The island's native inhabitants, poisonous spiders, also find their way into this architectural marvel, weaving their way through the rooftop gardens and into the house itself. Despite its modern, almost industrial aesthetic, Paraty House feels like an organic part of the island, a structure born from the very rocks and trees that surround it. The use of raw materials like concrete, glass, and wood reflects the rugged beauty of the environment. While the house's bold, cantilevered form stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the delicate balance between architecture and nature. Paraty House is more than just a home. It is a masterpiece of design, a place where the line between the natural and the man-made blurs, creating a space that feels both timeless and completely in tune with its surroundings.